If you wanna have a good time, don't go playing around when else the time to cross the line. Show me what's inside that soul to let you feel mine. Come on, let's set our mind and bodies intertwined. You don't need to fall to the call.
What is have salmon ว้าว มีปลาแซลมอนด้วยอยู่ในน้ำนี้ ว้าว
and approximately 200 feet high in the middle. The arrow car started at Colt Point, which was named after Niagara, who was a U.S. citizen who purchased this property in the early 1800s. We make our way to Thompson Point. John Thompson owned this property. Straight ahead. He is a Arrow car runs over 6 interlocking cables. They are steel cables that are 1 inch in diameter, and we're powered by an electric 50 horsepower motor. We have a backup diesel generator, and we travel approximately 7 to 8 kilometers per hour. So we have a slow drive.
โอ้ยมีเป็ดด้วย มีเป็ด
In front of me
โอ้ย
at Thompson
ปลา
Point,
นี่
you
ห
will
ว่า
see a rescue car. It holds 4 people plus 1 operator.
โอ้
We have
ย
never
มา
had
ทาง
to
นี้
use
หนาว
a rescue car for
ห
rescue
นาวค่ะทุกท่าน
operations.
ค่ะ มีปลาแซลมอนอยู่ข้าง
We
อ
do
ยู่ใน
use
นี้
it
นะ
every year for training
In the
purposes though,
Nami.
and we've all been trained so far this year. Straight ahead, in the center area, the steel car, that's our rescue car. I'm going to ask you now if you can start to make your way. The people that are on my left are going to move to my right clockwise, and the people that are on my right are going to move to my left. So, sir, can you start and walk across this way, please? Almost there. There we go. That way. Just stay off of the.
Oh sorry
No, that's okay. Just move so that we're not in the yellow safety zone. Okay. Thank you very much.
thank welcome
For your protection.
เย้
It used to be lower.
ว้าว กลับ
When
ค่ะ
I was here in the 80s, they didn't have any of this. It was just this. And there used to be seats. There used to be seats here.
Here.
Oh,
I've been with
okay.
the park. I've been with the park since 2002. And
กลับคืน
so I can't say you're wrong.
I was terrified because you had to stand up from the chairs and then walk around. It was wow. It's terrifying.
We crossed the Canada-U.S. border 4 times on our trip. The border is divided down the middle of the river. It elbows like a V at Whirlpool. They say it's a 90-degree angle, and that is a reason they say why we have the current we have. To my left, I will say, welcome to New York State. To my right, I will say, we're in Ontario. One time we don't have to have a passport to go into the U.S. or come back into Canada. Our rock formation is dolomite, sandstone, shale, and limestone. Limestone is the reason why we have our water being the color of green. The attraction opened August 8, 1916. We're celebrating 106 years this year, and no, we're not on the original tables. Leonardo Torres Privado, I hope I pronounced
Sorry?
that correctly, was a Spanish engineer who
106
designed
years.
this piece. He was from Santa Cruz,
Oh.
Tijuana, Spain.
106
Parents were
ปี
built in Spain and then transferred over to Canada. Originally, the Spanish Arrow car in 1916 cost $120,000. That was a lot of money back at that point. We carry 35 passengers per trip. We've carried over 10 million since 1916. And in 2003, we changed our name from Spanish Arrow car to Whirlpool Arrow car. Does anybody have any questions? No? Okay. Just a couple more little things. Things are happening. The Depression, by the early 1930s, they had to shut it down. Coming back up to the gate, so again we're going to have a little bit of one of those bumps. And I'm going to ask you if when you leave, process to your left and go up the left-hand stairs past the pearly gate, please. I thank you very much for coming. I hope you enjoyed your time and have a good day.
ถึงแล้ว ว้าว so nice สวยมากค่ะ